Hi everyone, Josh here from Am Digital. To start enabling pre-order for your products, simply shift the toggle button to active. When pre-orders are active, the app will automatically show a pre-order button on product pages whenever you run out of stock. If you'd like to enable pre-orders for a specific variant, find the drop-down icon. This will reveal your variants with the pre-order options. You can also set unique pre-order settings for each of your variants. If you'd like to edit multiple products at once, use the checkboxes located on the left side of your product images, or use the Select All button. Once you've selected your products, you'll find the pre-order status and settings editor at the top right of the products table. Please note, if you're trying to edit thousands of items, it can take a minute or two for the app to save and load your changes. Finally, once you've enabled your products for pre-order, be sure to configure your optional pre-order settings. These include setting up pre-order discounts, customizing the button's design, setting any pre-order limits, scheduling start and end dates, configuring your pre-order locations, terms, and conditions, or enabling a pre-order badge to appear on any of your pre-order products. That's all for now. If you need further assistance, contact our support team via the live chat button, and we'd be happy to help. Also, be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more about the full capabilities of the pre-order manager. Thanks for watching.